Hello friends, this is a quick unboxing video of the Yamaha in-ceiling speakers that I plan to use as my two Atmos channels. As you can see, the model number is IC600. These are the 6-inch speakers, and they have concentric tweeter, and the tweeters are kind of have a swivel, so you can direct them into a specific angle if you want to. So let's get started. So I've already just removed the tape, and as soon as you open it, the first thing that you get is this template. So you can use this template for doing the cutout in your false ceiling. And in my case, I'm going to use this template because I don't have that big a ceiling in my apartment, and as you can see, it's a concrete wall. So I am planning to make a wooden box which I have already ordered, with the similar size of this template. So you can use it either way. So let's keep it aside. Then you have the standard the manual and the warranty card of Yamaha. As you can see, the model number is missing. So it does come in two variants, I think 6-inch and 8-inch, and that's what the NSC IC600. So documentation is common for both the 6-inch and the 8-inch speakers. So I bought this in India through Amazon. So these speakers always come in the pair. As you can see, let's take them out. Yeah. So we'll just rip off the plastic. Sorry, I'm kind of doing it with one hand, so yeah, there you go. As you can see, it has a big cone, quite a big cone, and yeah, as you can see, the electronics is quite well protected with a thermal sink over here, and these are push type connectors. So if I can show you, it's very easy to connect them, I guess. Yes, I know this because I had seen a few videos already of them, and you don't have, and I think one reason why they have done this is you don't have much room while mounting the speakers, so they wanted something that can be very quickly mounted over there. It also has a very nice, I think most of the in-ceiling speakers right now, they come up with this kind of a ratchet and a lock mechanism, so that once you insert them from down, once it goes into the slot that's cut out on the ceiling, you can just screw this, and what it will do is, it will, once it goes inside, it will turn this blue color ratchets on the outer direction, and at the same time it will just pull them down, so that would just lock onto the ceiling, and it will prevent your speaker from coming down. So that's the mechanism, what it is. So this is how the speaker looks like. It does have those dots. What you're seeing is the magnets for fixing the grill, and let's take a look at the magnet, the grill. Let's have a closer look. Off-white color, and it does have a very soft perforated cloth in that, and I guess we'll just mount it and just show it to you. Yeah, see, it just fits in. So amazing. So I was just wanted to show you guys in the manual they have clearly instructed that you can swivel the tweeter to get a better experience, directed specifically towards your seating locations. And if your ceiling is of a different color and you probably would like to highlight the speakers to the audience, you can also paint the grill for the installation. Now these speakers always comes in pair, and I have right now a 5.1.2 setup. So the reason I have ordered these is for the two Atmos speakers. I'm going to make a separate video after I complete the setup, specifically the custom box that I have made.